Good morning, students. Today start the fourth video of knowing our number. Knowing our number. Estimation of number. Estimation of number. Now, estimation play an important role in our daily life. There are many situations in our day-to-day life when we do not need exact number, but we use numbers approximately. For example, of separator, watching a cricket match live in stadium, number of audience in an election rally. Let us say to 60,000 spectators are watching the match in Eden Garden. It means approximately 60,000 spectators are there in a stadium. Exact number of spectators might be a little more or less than 60,000. It might be 59,875 or 62,226, but not 65,000. There are some principles which we follow to reach the point of the approximation. Rounding of a given number to the nearest tens. If one digit is less than 5, then keep the 10 digits, it's replace the ones by 0. Ones by 0. If one's digit is 5 more than, then 5 replace the 10 digits next higher digit. Replace one digit by 0. Higher digit ones by 0 is equal to 96 is called 100. Rounding of a given number to the nearest 100. If the tens digit is less than 5, keep the 100 digit as replace the tens and ones digit by 0. If the tens 5 or more than 5, then replace 100 digit with the next higher digit. Replace all tens and ones by 0. For example, rounding of the nearest 100. 78. 178 here tens digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So 100 digit will be replaced next higher digits by ones by 0. 178 is equal to 200. 178 will be 100. 200. Now 519 here tens digits is 1, which is less than 5. So 100 will be at it was tens 1 digit by 0. 519 is equal to 500. 623 tens digits is 2, which is less than 5. So 100 digit will be it was ones by 0. 623 is equal to 600. Rounding of a given to the nearest 1000. If the 100 digit is less than 5, then keep the 1000 digit as its replace the 100 tens 1 by digit by 0. If the 100 digit is 5 more than 5, then replace the 1000 digits when the next higher digit. Replace the 100 tens by ones digit by 0. Rounding of the digits following number to the nearest thousand. 6176. Here 100 digits is 1 which is less than 5, so the 1000 digit will be 100 tens and ones by 0. So 6178 equal to 6000. 4518. Here 100 digit is 5 which is equal to 5. So 1000 digit will be replaced next higher digits by 0. 45,118 is equal to 5000. Estimation of sum and difference. We have learned to round off the digit to the nearest tens, hundred and thousand. However, there are situations where we need to round off the sum or difference. Manoj is having 76 in the purse. Manoj is 76 rupees in his purse and 33 were to give him his mother for pocket money. Estimation Manoj have 76 in purse is equal to 76 is nearest to the 80. So that 70, so it means roughly we can say rupees 80. Mother give 33 which is nearest to the 30. Nearer to 30 than 40. So again we can say rupees 30. Manoj have 80 plus 30 is equal to 110 approximately in his purse. Estimation value. Estimate the value of the following. 3423 plus 5643. Estimate the value of following. 3423 plus 5643. 3423 can be rounded off the nearest thousand as 3000 and 5643 nearest round off is rupees 6000. So estimate value is equal to 3000 plus 6000 is equal to 9000 approx.